Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 20 money affirmations that you can say daily. Affirmations are powerful statements that can help rewire your mindset and attract abundance into your life. So, let's get started with the first money affirmation. Repeat after me. I am a money magnet, and wealth flows effortlessly into my life. Now, let's move on to the second affirmation. I am open and receptive to all the wealth and opportunities the universe has to offer. Next up, repeat this powerful affirmation. I release all limiting beliefs about money and embrace my limitless abundance. Here's another one. Money is constantly flowing into my life from multiple sources. Now, let's focus on gratitude. Say this affirmation. I am grateful for the financial abundance that surrounds me. Moving on, repeat after me. I attract lucrative opportunities and money-making ideas into my life. Here's an affirmation to help you let go of scarcity mindset. I deserve to be wealthy, and I embrace my financial success. Let's continue with this positive affirmation. I am aligned with the energy of money and it flows freely to me. Now, let's focus on financial freedom. Repeat after me. I am financially independent and make wise decisions with my money. Here's another powerful affirmation. I am worthy of enjoying a life of abundance and prosperity. Remember, it's important to believe in these affirmations and repeat them with conviction. Practice them daily, and watch your financial situation improve.